Alright, so we're trying something new. I'm up in the country right now at this town called Cold Spring in upstate New York. I'm at my niece's communion. It's about 75 degrees, beautiful weather. I had a guy in a t-shirt come up to me and he was like, yo, you're gonna be really hot in this. It's 75 degrees out, bro. If I can't wear a suit in 75 degree weather, when exactly can I wear a suit, you know what I mean? Dudes will come up with any excuse not to look fly, you know? Not me though. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the 3 shirt colors that every man should own. The first should be a white shirt. See, the thing with white shirts is certain occasions only call for white shirts. Like for example, a black tie affair, you would only wear a white shirt. A wedding or a funeral, you would only wear a white shirt. There's something really regal about wearing a white shirt. Jesus Christ. Mosquitoes are kicking my ass right now. But the thing about a white shirt, they're not the most versatile shirt color. Now you're probably thinking white goes with everything. It does. But the problem with white shirts, sometimes it could be a little bit too stuffy, you know what I mean? The second shirt color that every man should have should be a light blue shirt. To me, a light blue shirt is the most versatile shirt color that you can wear. Light blue shirt goes with everything. Every color suit, every color tie, you can wear a light blue shirt with it. Although light blue shirts are the most versatile shirt color, that doesn't mean that you can wear them anywhere. Like I was saying, some occasions only call for a white shirt. But besides those occasions that I mentioned when I was talking about white shirt, you can pretty much wear a light blue shirt anywhere. If you look at my videos, I'm wearing a light blue shirt in probably 99% of them. Light blue shirts go with any tie color and any suit color. And the thing about light blue shirts, they come in a couple different shades. Some light blue shirts can look almost white because they're so light. Some are like more in the middle, you know what I'm saying? So when I'm talking about light blue shirts, I'm not just talking about one shade of shirts. I'm talking about a couple different shades of light blue, where white shirts are only white, but light blue shirts could be a couple different shades. And the third shirt color that I recommend is a combination of white and blue. We're talking about striped shirts in light and blue. So it could either be a wider stripe, which is called a Bengal stripe, or a more thin stripe, which is called a pencil stripe. Like with those shirts, they're very versatile as well, although not as versatile as a light blue shirt. For example, if you're wearing a jacket that has the same scale of stripes as the shirt, they could actually clash. Same thing if you're wearing a tie that has the same scale of stripe as the shirt. So that's why I'm saying a striped shirt is not as versatile as wearing a solid light blue shirt. But sometimes it could work because it all depends on the scale. Some striped shirts, the stripes are so thin that from a distance, it looks like you're wearing a solid shirt. So a shirt like that could actually work with a tie that has really bold stripes, or a suit jacket that has really bold stripes as well, because the stripes are so thin on the shirt that from a distance it looks like you're wearing a solid color shirt. So if I were just building my wardrobe from scratch and I had to buy 10 shirts, I would get 5 light blue shirts, 3 white shirts, and 2 striped shirts in white and blue. Now if you ask me what should you get your shirts from, I recommend Spier And Mackay. Spier And Mackay shirts only cost $55 to start. And tell the truth, if you hold these shirts in your hand, that's really a steal. I'm wearing one of them right now. The construction is great. The buttons, the collars are great. They're about 3¼ inches, so they fall perfectly under the jacket's lapels. Those $55 shirts would easily cost you $80 or more at other makers. But to make it even more of a must buy, if you buy 3 or more shirts, those $55 will only cost you $45. And that's not it. If you use the code that I have in the description, that would knock off another 20% off your order. So you can't really go wrong with Spier And Mackay. I wear Spier And Mackay shirts in every single video I made on YouTube so far. Maybe except for one. They even have a custom program where for $80 you can design your own shirt. To keep it 100, I didn't even try the custom shirt program yet, but that's definitely next on my list. For $80 you can design your own shirt. If you wear a watch, you can choose to make the left cuff bigger to accommodate your watch. You can choose the collar that you want. I'm definitely looking forward to trying that program, and I'll make a video on that. So that was the 3 color shirts that every man should own. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe, or everybody gonna think that you're a hater. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Hi, people. Oh.
And you have to look in here. And happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Peace.